Hi everyone! Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not opening. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not opening, you should just go to Settings. After that, you will go to Click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on Force Stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click Clear Cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.